Welcome to Bong Cookhouse. Today's recipe is a famous Bengali recipe, Chirer Polao or flattened rice pulao. It can be served as a breakfast and snack or tiffin with tea or coffee. It can also be packed for school or office lunch. It can be prepared as a day-to-day recipe as well as for special occasions. If you like this recipe, then subscribe to my YouTube channel for more recipes. You can also like and leave your comments. Do not forget to click the bell icon. Take flattened rice or chirer, thick, about 4 cups. Wash flattened rice with water twice. Drain water immediately. Do not soak flattened rice for a long time. Otherwise, the flattened rice will soak a lot of water and become soggy and will have lumps. For thin flattened rice, wash once only. Leave the flattened rice in the strainer for some time to become dry. Make sure there is no water left. While the flattened rice is getting dry, heat oil about 7 tablespoons and ghee 1 teaspoon. Add peanuts half cup without skin. Roast it till golden brown in medium to high heat. Take off the pan and keep aside. Add bay leaf 1, crushed cardamom 3, and black mustard seed 1 tablespoon. Saute in medium to low heat till the mustard seeds stop popping. Otherwise, when we bite a black mustard seed, it will taste bitter. Add chopped onion 1½ cups. Finely chopped ginger 1½ tablespoon. Saute in medium to high heat for 3 minutes or till the onion is translucent. In the meantime, take the washed, drained and dried flattened rice in a bowl. Break the lumps with fingers. Add turmeric powder about 1½ teaspoon and salt 1 teaspoon. Mix well. Add roasted peanuts and finely chopped green chilies to pour them all into the pan. Mix well. Add oil if required. Added oil about 6 tablespoons. Mix well. Add lemon juice 1/4 of a lemon. Golden raisins 1/3 cup. Sugar ½ teaspoon. It is optional. Mix well. Sometimes I add fried potato, cashew and curry leaves. Taste of flattened rice. If it tastes hard, sprinkle some water, little at a time with hand. I have added water about 3 tablespoons. Stir well. Taste it, add whatever is required. My Chirer Polao is good. It is soft and dry. There is no lump. Serve it hot with hot tea or coffee. Garnish with chopped onion, chopped green chilli, chopped cilantro or coriander leaves and chopped coconut. Sometimes I add chanachur or Bombay mix and churi bhaja. It serves about 3 to 4 people.
Please try it at home. Share it with your friends and family. You can also follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. The links are given in the description box. Bye for now. Stay healthy, eat healthy, and enjoy life.